Hey, gang, Poppy's Workshop. This is Poppy Unboxes, a solid carbide end mill. Yeah, I know, it's sort of pathetic, isn't it? Well, I had to spend my own money to get this. Banggood didn't send it to me. Shars didn't send it to me. And you damn know that Mictutoyo didn't send it to me, right? Here it is. Solid carbide, 4-flute, half-inch, more than an inch worth of tooth there to really get down deep into the victim. $1.24. Value $1.24. I recall I paid like $3 for it. Well, what do you expect from Chinesium? But it's nice Chinesium. I mean, this is a micrograin. This baby is sharp. I mean, if lathe inserts were this sharp, oh yeah. Oh no. They can be that sharp, but you gotta be gentle with them. Anyway. Oh, by the way, Poppy found out today that he's got, well, the other day that he's got 13 subscribers. The 14, that's another computer over here that, I'm using. And anyway.